Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor 2026 how to change units. As example, I will create a new file. You can click part and I will create a simple sketch. Okay, you can draw circle, click finish and use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to change units in this document, you can go to Tools, click on Document Settings. After it, go to Unit tab, and you can change for the units. As example, I will set into inch. Click Apply and OK. Now, if you create again, like sketch in the top of face, it will be set into inch for the unit. You can see. And to change again into millimeter, you can go to Tools, click Document Settings, Units, and change into millimeter. Click Apply and OK. Now you can use Extrude again to convert the sketch into 3D by using millimeter in units. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial, how to change units. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.